Okay, then what we're going to look at now is the arthrology then, which is the study of connective tissue and also joints as well. So we're going to focus on some of the main areas that you'll need to know as part of the course. So first thing then, what type of joint is this? So we're going to focus on the main one, being the femur, or the head of the femur into the acetabulum there. This is a ball and socket joint. Okay, so the ball on the top of the femur fits into the acetabulum, which is a hole in the pelvis. About 2/3 of the head of the femur are covered in this deep socket here, so it's quite a secure articulation just there. Okay, so fibrous capsule then, there's some main ligaments that we can see dotted all the way around, but underneath there is one that runs all the way around called the labrum, and that is its fibrous capsule which just holds it in position. So yes, it does have a fibrous capsule. Next one then is S, so it's synovial membrane. It certainly does have one because all synovial joints, of which this is one, have a synovial membrane. So it's surrounded and it lubricates the joints to keep it moving as long as you're moving. So now we're looking at intra and extracapular structures. So there's a few different ones I'm just going to draw your attention to. So this one, just running down here, is called your iliofemoral ligament. If we turn this around, we've got your ischiofemoral ligament from the ischium, and then one more from the front. Down at the bottom here, we've got your pubofemoral ligament. So from whatever bony feature I've pointed out onto the femur, that's the name of the ligament just there. Okay, so movements then that we've got with this joint. First couple that we've got then, we've got flexion of the hip, we've got extension of the hip. Next couple then, we've got abduction and adduction, and then we've also got circumduction there. Okay, so there's quite a lot of movements that we can conduct at this hip. So planes and axis then, because of all those movements that we can conduct, it moves through a sagittal plane, frontal axis. It moves through a frontal plane, sagittal axis, and then transverse plane, longitudinal axis as well.